And the race is on. Smarty S rushing up a step in the night. Final judgment from the outside. Lealtad down on the inside. Shining Armor all in. And Westerly Wind is the early trailer. Lealtad tip in the night from the outside. Shining Armor is racing in third by some 6 lengths. Running in fourth by Daryl All in Smarty S final judgment, and Westerly Wind is now running at the tail of the field as they round the 3/4 mile distance. Tip in the night by a length and a half, followed by Lealtad. And running in third by some 7 lengths, Shining Armor. Working towards the back. Tip in the night by some 3 lengths, followed by Lealtad, and racing in third by some 7 lengths is All In alongside Shining Armor, Smarty S, Westerly Wind down on the inside, final judgment. Nearing the far turn, tip in the night by some 4 lengths, Lealtad, All In Shining Armor from the outside, racing towards the last 450. Tip in the night, still leading the pack by some 3 lengths. All In is now running in second. Lealtad down on the inside. Shining Armor, Smarty S, Westerly Wind, and final judgment. And during the last 150 meters more to run. Tip in the night, still leading the pack by some 5 lengths. And finally, from start to finish, tip in the night. All In, Lealtad, Shining Armor, Westerly Wind, Smarty S, and final judgment.